Alright, I'm going to try something new. I've never eaten here before. They call it the Sugar Sack. But I've heard the burger is pretty good. I watched Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventures on YouTube, and his *1 pick was the burgers here at the Sugar Sack. So I'm going to go give it a try. There we go. Well, that did look like a good place to eat, but it's so crowded in there. There's no place to sit down. Probably be there all afternoon if I ate there. I'm just have to head out and come back another time, I suppose. I would have liked to eat in there, but now I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to head north on 385 here, probably toward Deadwood, and I don't know. Just play it by ear. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Well, I found a quiet picnic area right along 385. Not sure how to pronounce it. Rubiax or something. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I don't have any food. I'm just drinking this, and after a while I'll just head on out. And I guess I'm going to go without lunch today. Don't want to eat too late because I have some food that I need to eat before leaving. Packing up and leaving in a couple days, so I don't want to have any food left over, so I want to make sure I eat it all. But anyways, I don't know what else I'm going to do today, so yeah, I'm just going to take and sit here for a while and just see what plays out. So talk to you later. You know, maybe I should have you look. Here, there we go. Here. The parking lot up there, and there's also a campground. You can camp back here too. I'm in the picnic area part. There's like some little lake down there. Really quiet here. You got lots of picnic tables here. You know, these picnic tables, you would think they were wood, but this is literally plastic. Yeah, so that's what it looks like right here. Really nice picnic area. Okay, so now I'll talk to you later. Alright, it's gotten cold. I'm here at back at camp in my tent, about ready to go to bed, I think. Get in my nice warm sleeping bag. But it really didn't do much today, obviously. I wanted to eat at the Sugar Sack, but there was such a long wait there that I just decided not to. But anyways, at least I went to that picnic area and sat there for a little while. And then I didn't do a live stream today because it was so overcast for most of the day. And I have tomorrow looks like it's going to be mostly sunny, so I decided that tomorrow would be the better day to do the live stream. And so today didn't really do much of anything, as you can see. Because that's about it. It really didn't do much today, but anyways, I'm going to go to bed, and tomorrow I'll have more stuff. I'm going to do a live stream, and also I'm going to have a longer video. I'm going to actually be doing things, going to places tomorrow. Today was kind of a off day, I guess you can call it. But anyways, that's the plan for tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do the live stream, and then I'll also do a regular video that's better than what today is. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.